Hi guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This beautifully designed 5 bedrooms, 3 bathroom home in Hopewell, Hanover is ideal in so many ways. Spaciously cascading over 3 floors, over 5,000 square feet, sitting on just below half acre of land, also comprising a 2 bedrooms unfinished basement apartment that can be transformed into an income earner, as well as a separate studio apartment which can be used as an helper's quarters, a wraparound balcony with views of the Caribbean Sea, perfect while enjoying your morning coffee. Only 3 minutes drive to the ocean. The master bedroom has jacuzzi and ample storage throughout the property. This property can also be used as a wellness retreat due to its serene surrounding and clean air. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 350,000 or Jamaican $53.8 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.